LLM cost is a huge deal when you're building AI agents. Unlike traditional softwares, AI can behave unpredictably. It can hallucinate, fail silently, and worst of all, get expensive without warning. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to track everything your AI agent does, every tool it calls, every token it burns, and exactly how much it costs. Let's run a quick test. I'll send a Telegram message asking the agent to find Salal Arshad's contact information and send him a quick email. Behind the scenes, the agent performs a few tasks. It pulls the contact using the Google Sheet tool. Then it uses the send email node to deliver the message. Finally, it logs every single action it took, how many tokens were used and what model was called, and how much that run cost. So tool used is get contact, send email. Total token used are here. Model we used ChatGPT 4.1, and the cost it automatically calculated and logged, less than a cent in this case. Now, let's intentionally break it. I will disconnect the chat model and then just send how are you as input. As expected, the agent fails, but instead of crashing the whole workflow, it gracefully logs the error and continues. The system logs the input message, the time, the workflow name, the error message from the AI agent, and even shows 0 token used since the chat model never activated. This level of logging is essential when you're scaling agents. You need visibility for both success and error cases. Let me show you how this entire system works node by node. It all starts with the Telegram trigger. This listens for incoming messages from you or your users. That message is passed to AI agent node. This is where logic happens. The AI agent receives the input, uses the chat model GPT 4.1 in this case, pulls in tools it needs like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Calendar. Key settings are here. Make sure you enable return intermediate steps in the AI agent node settings. This actually outputs all action the AI agent took, including tool used, inputs and outputs, model and token usage. You have connected 3 tools in the tools group. Google Sheet, which is to retrieve the contacts, send email to send the messages, create event to add event to Google Calendar. The agent dynamically decides which one to call based on the user input. If the agent runs successfully, we pass the intermediate steps into the cleanup node. This node extracts the tool used, the token counts, model names, and manually calculates the cost using token rates. Then it's sent to the log node, which append everything to a Google Sheet, which includes timestamp, workflow name, input, output, action taken, total breakdown, and the total cost. Finally, a response is sent back to the user via Telegram with a success message, just like this. So if the agent fails, the error data flows into the second cleanup node in the rest section here. It still tries to extract what it can, steps, tokens, if any, and sets the cost to 0 if unused. Then the error node appends to the failure log into another sheet. And then finally, an error response is sent back to Telegram saying something like, there was an issue with your request. So why this matters is because everything is going into a Google Sheet. You now have a full audit trail. You can track which tools are used most, visualize token user per agent, identify flows that were burning too many tokens, and optimize your cost accordingly. Even if something fails, your log will still show up when, where, and why with full context. If you want to use this exact system in your own workflows, join my free Facebook community. Link is in the description. Search for this video title, download the N8N JSON workflow template, and grab the Google Sheet template already formatted and ready to log. Just plug in your OpenAI account and Google credentials. You're good to go. That's it for this one. This might not be the flashiest workflow, but if you are serious about using AI agents in production, observability is not optional. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend, or join the community to grab more agent templates like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.